Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll quickly break down how much creators can earn on Zora, an innovative NFT-based creator platform. One of the main ways creators earn money is through paid mints. When fans mint an NFT and pay for it, 100% of that revenue goes directly back to the creator. That means every dollar spent on a paid NFT mint rewards the creator entirely. For free mints, where collectors don't pay to mint, creators still earn. They receive at least 42% of any associated minting fees, ensuring they are compensated even when giving content away for free. Beyond minting, creators also benefit from ongoing market activity. Whenever someone trades their coin, like a token version of a post, the creator gets 0.5% of the trade value in Ethereum or Zora, depending on how the trade is priced. In larger numbers, Zora's creator ecosystem has seen impressive results. In Q2 2025 alone, the platform generated over $27 million in creator rewards, with 179,000 creators participating. Zora's model clearly favors creators with strong earnings from both minting and trading activity on their platform. And that would be all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.